it's Abby from SG Sports Therapy here. Today we're going to go through some movements with a foam roller that you can do to loosen off your quadrature lumborum and your erector spinae, which are your two muscles in your lower back that helps with your back extension and rotation. So this exercise is going to be really good for any golf players, tennis players, any manual workers that do a lot of lifting and twisting at the same time. So this exercise is really simple that you can do and it's really going to help that lower back pain, okay? So what you're going to start with doing is on your back, you're going to position the foam roller so that you can feel it square to the back and you can feel your spine on the foam roller, okay? Then all you're going to do is drop your knees very slightly off to the side so that you can feel the foam roller move off the spine and onto that muscle either side, okay? Your arms are going to be behind for stabilisation, and then all you need to do then is lift your hips off the floor and you're just going to roll back and forward. Okay? So if you do that for a few minutes each side, that's really going to loosen off them lower back muscles.